Hey everyone, ever wonder if that iPhone you just bought or are about to buy is a real deal or just a really good fake? In a world full of convincing counterfeits, it's a legitimate concern. But don't sweat it. I'm here to show you two super simple ways to verify your iPhone's authenticity and make sure you're not getting ripped off. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be an iPhone authenticity expert. First up, let's dive into your iPhone settings. This little trick can tell you a lot about your device's history. Grab your iPhone and open up the settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Then hit About. This section is like your iPhone's birth certificate. Now look for the model number. You'll see a string of letters and numbers right next to it. The first letter is key. If your model number starts with an M, congratulations. This usually means your iPhone is a brand new device purchased directly from Apple, either online or in one of their stores. If it starts with an F, it indicates a refurbished device. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. Apple refurbishes phones to like new condition, but it's important to know. And if you see an N, that means your iPhone was a replacement device provided by Apple, likely due to a warranty claim or a problem with the original phone. Knowing this can give you a lot of insight into your iPhone's journey before it got to you. The second method is the most definitive way to confirm your iPhone's originality and check its warranty status directly with Apple. Stay in the About section within your settings, find the serial number option and copy to your clipboard. Just tap and hold on the number, then select copy. Now let's head over to Apple's official website. Go back to your home screen, open up Safari or any web browser. Type in checkcoverage.apple.com in the search bar and hit go. This is Apple's dedicated page for verifying device information. Once the page loads, you'll see a box. Paste your copy serial number right into that box, then hit submit. And there you have it. This page will instantly pull up your iPhone's purchase date, its warranty status, and whether it's still covered by Apple Care. If their serial number isn't recognized or the details don't match what you'd expect, that's a huge red flag that your iPhone might not be legitimate. By using these two simple methods, you can quickly and confidently determine if your iPhone is an original Apple product or convincing fake. Don't fall victim to scams. Empower yourself with this knowledge. Stop. Make sure iPhone is backed up regularly so you never lose any of your photos or data. Check out this video right here.